Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina Louise. I like to do a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs and thrift flips on this channel. So if you like that kind of thing, stay tuned and consider subscribing to my channel. Today's DIY is a sunflower themed challenge using only Dollar Tree items. I have a very easy, fun, and pretty fall DIY coming that you can make for under $3. Today's challenge is hosted by Brittany from Brittany Allen Crafts, and it is co-hosted by Allie from Actual Allie. After watching my video, please check out their awesome channels. The links are in the description box below. For this DIY, you're going to need one of these plain white candles from the Dollar Tree and some pretty sunflower paper, some sunflowers from the Dollar Tree, and some things to embellish like raffia and ribbon. Even though this challenge is just for a sunflower themed item, I did 3 coordinating candles because I thought they all looked beautiful for fall. So I picked up these papers when they were on sale in Michael's, sunflowers, pumpkins, and this buffalo check. I used school glue from Dollar Tree. You're going to use 3 parts school glue and 1 part water. You're going to mix this up, and I think it almost works better than Mod Podge. So I just poured some in the bucket. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to eyeball this, like I said, 3 parts school glue, 1 part water. Just apply the glue mixture with your foam brush because it works better than a paintbrush. It doesn't leave streaks. And what I did was I just measured around the glass and then how high I wanted the paper to come up. And then I just cut it to the measurements, which were 6 by 7. I folded it in half. I trimmed it to make it even. Now I just brushed on the glue mixture and then I'm going to wrap the beautiful paper around it. It's easy as that. I mean, this is the quickest, simplest, beautiful little quick home decor that you could decorate your house with. And you could do this for all seasons, not just fall. And when I'm done with showing you how I wrap this around, I embellished it with the sunflowers and the ribbon and the raffia. And I made my sunflower one. After this dries, just put on a nice coat, another coat on top of this, and it's easy as that. Now I took the buffalo check paper, which was so easy to cut because you had the lines as a guide. So I should have did that candle first. But anyway, so now I just use that as a pattern, and I just cut out the prettiest area of the sunflowers on this. And then I created my sunflower candle, and here are the final results. I hope this DIY inspired you to make your own sunflower candle or buffalo check or pumpkins or anything that's fall. These make great little gifts. They make beautiful little vignettes on your coffee table. I thought this sunflower paper was so pretty. You can always do a free printable online, but Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all the craft stores put their paper on sale. Don't forget to check out the playlist below. Check out Allie from Actual Allie, check out Brittany from Brittany Allen Crafts, and I hope I've inspired you to create one of these candles. They're only $3 to make. Thanks for watching.